Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your natural hair grow faster. Now, I do a lot of curly hair tutorials, curly hair videos on my channel, but these tips will apply to absolutely everyone. Whether you have wavy hair, curly hair, kinky hair, straight hair, doesn't matter. These tips will apply to you. They are very much universal. And my hair is down to my thighs. So I want to say it might be around maybe 40 inches long, 45 inches long, perhaps, maybe. Somewhere in between there. My hair is very long. So I'm giving you these tips. These are things that I've done. Okay, these are things that I do, that I have done to grow my hair the length that it is, and I am quite sure that it will work for you as well. It will work if you work it. If you follow these tips and you stay patient and you don't get frustrated with yourself or frustrated with your hair, you will start to see results, I promise. So that's what today's video is going to be. If you like this video, if you want more curly hair videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know down below so that I know to do more of them. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss an upload, because I do upload videos every single day on my channel and you really want to be notified when I make a new video because you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let's get into these curly hair tips. The first tip that I have for you is eat well. Your hair is attached to your body, which means all the nutrients and everything that you eat is going to fuel basically every process in your body, and your hair is one of those processes. The food that you eat, whether or not you're drinking enough water, if you're drinking water at all of those things will affect the look of your hair, how your hair feels, and also how fast it grows. So you want to make sure that you are eating healthy a good percentage of the time. I'm not going to say that you always have to eat healthy because I just got done drinking a root beer float. But you want to make sure that the majority of your diet is pretty healthy. And that doesn't mean you have to be a vegan or vegetarian or anything like that. It just means eat well. Don't go to Chick-fil-A every single night like me. Have a few vegetables every day. I was about to say every now and then. Every day you should be having a vegetable or a fruit or both, So just, eat well. Have a nice, well-rounded diet, and your hair will respond to that. My second tip is to focus on your scalp. I know that a lot of people, most people, talk about their ends a lot. Oh, they have to take care of their ends, they have to seal their ends, they have to moisturize their ends, which is true. The ends are the oldest part of your hair. They're also the weakest parts of your hair because they're so far away from the scalp. But you have to remember that the growing of your hair comes from your scalp. So it doesn't matter if you're taking care of your ends, if you're sealing them and moisturizing them, because if you're not moisturizing your scalp, if you're not taking care of your scalp, ain't no hair gonna come out of it. So you have to remember that you can't neglect your scalp. I'm not gonna say that the scalp is more important than the ends or that the ends are more important than the scalp, because it's kind of like, what's that called? A symbiotic relationship. So if you take care of your scalp but you don't take care of your ends will break off and it will seem like your hair isn't growing because you're not retaining that length. But if you only take care of your ends and you don't take care of your scalp, your growth will slow. Your hair won't stop growing, but it will be slower. So you want to make sure that you are focusing on your scalp, but you also want to make sure that you're not neglecting your ends, and vice versa. I like to oil my scalp once a week. I do it once a week because I have low porosity hair and my hair is very prone to buildup. So anything more than once a week and my hair will just, it gets bad. So, but if you have thicker hair than I do, or if you have higher porosity hair than I do, then you could probably get away with doing it twice a week. But scalp massages scalp massages are really good, and they also promote hair growth. The third tip that I have, a lot of people probably will not agree with me on, but I stand by it completely. Don't trim your hair. Don't cut your hair. It always confuses me when people are like, oh, cut your hair every 8 weeks or every 12 weeks, it'll make it grow faster. I'm sorry, how does that make sense? How is cutting your hair gonna make it grow faster? I'm pretty sure that's not how that works. For me, I have not gotten my hair trimmed. I couldn't even tell you the last time that I got my hair trimmed. And my hair grows just fine. Like I said, my hair's down to my thigh. So it doesn't make any sense for me to cut my hair to make it grow. Like, say that out loud to yourself and see if that makes any sense to you. If it makes sense, then do it. If it doesn't, then don't. If your ends are looking like shaggy or janky, or you just don't like the way that they look, then you can definitely trim the ends that you don't think look good. Like that's totally fine. But to like completely like chop off like an inch or half inch of your hair just because people tell you to, that don't make no sense. That don't make a lick of sense to me. The fourth tip that I have is to stay away from heat. I know natural girls preach this all day, every day. Don't use heat on your hair. It will keep it from growing or whatever, and that's true. If you want your hair to grow, it's best for you to stay away from heat tools. I'm not gonna say that you can't grow your hair and, you know, use a blow dryer, use a flat iron, but it will be much faster if you don't. And that's what we're talking about here. How to grow your hair faster. Not just to grow your hair in general, because your hair will grow regardless. But we're putting ourselves on a timeline here, you know? So if you want your hair to grow faster, stay away from heat tools. There are so many different ways you can curl your hair without heat, so many different ways you can dry your hair without heat. There's even ways you can straighten your hair without heat. So there's no need. There's no need really. All you need is a little extra work and you will be fine. The last tip that I have is use a hair growth supplement. Personally, I have never tried using a supplement before, but I know that there are a lot of women and men out there who have tried it and have had really good results with it. So my motto is try everything, try something at least once. Yeah, so I've heard that taking biotin actually helps. It's actually good for your nails too. I think Millie Hair has hair growth supplements, and I've heard really good things about them. So, you know, do your research and figure out which one is best for you and, you know, your goals and your needs for your hair. Because I don't think all supplements are created equal. And if you guys want to see me like try out some different ones and review them and, you know, let you know what I think, I can totally do that. Let me know in the comments if that's something you would like to see, and I will definitely do that for you. But yes, hair supplements can definitely be helpful. And for people who say that taking hair supplements is cheating, I mean, are we playing a game? Like, I'm not sure. Like, why is it cheating? You know, it is what it is. If it works, then it works. Are we racing? Like, I'm confused. Yeah, but I have heard that before, and it was confusing to me. Okay, you guys, so those are my 5 tips for how to grow your natural hair faster. Like I said, your hair will grow either way. If you use these tips, it will grow faster. If you don't, your hair will still grow just at its normal pace. And you don't have to try all of these. You don't have to try any of these. I am just giving you what has worked for me, and maybe it will work for you as well. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me what else you guys want to see. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on my post notifications so that you always get uploaded. Wow, so you always get uploaded. So you always get notified when I upload a new video, because I upload videos every single day on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.